In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract art animation. I have discovered this effect myself while testing to see if I could modify the quick explode shape without modifying the gravity. I learned if I use a screw modifier, the quick explode will detonate while keeping the screw pattern. The key point of this effect is to use the lowest amount of vertices possible, otherwise the blender will freeze when we play the animation. Please only watch this part, and don't follow along. I'm using a tissue add-on on 2 meshes with a high number of vertices to show you what would happen when I do so. The total number of vertices is 8,448. Now it's over 135,000. The idea is to apply the screw modifier, add quick explode, and twist it on the x-axis for 1111 degrees. More than 250,000 vertices. This is what happens when we have way too much vertices in the scene, and I wouldn't recommend anyone to do this. Let's recreate this mesh with much lower resolution. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.